Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we can see how to install Docker in our virtual machines and how to create a virtual machine on AWS. Yes, okay. So we can start. First of all, we can go to the Google Chrome and we can search AWS. After AWS, we can search for AWS. We can click on AWS. It is some network issues going on. That why the network speed is low. We can click on sign in. If you have a account of AWS, you can sign in, or you can just click on create AWS account and create your AWS account. It's taking lots of time because my Wi-Fi is not working. That's why I have joined my mobile hotspot with a laptop. That's why network speed is very slow. It's just 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Simultaneously, you can install MOBA Extreme app. Uh, it is basically software which is used to uh, launch our virtual machines or open our virtual machines. That is basically used to or connect our virtual machines. That is basically used for MOBA Extreme. Okay, you can search for in a Google Chrome like MOBA Extreme, and you can go with a website. Okay, so we can yes, this is a website, mobaextreme.mobatech.net. It is basically, and you can install from this website. Okay, so it is basically, yes, we can got it in. It's taking lots of time. Okay, or if you are okay, and we can go with a sign in with or using root user email. It is basically you root user. Okay, if you have a AWS account, you can sign in, or if you do not have any AWS account, we can you can create that, and after creating that, you can sign in that. So, and this in 2 minutes, I can delete my sessions. Yes, I can. Yes, I can explain you the this app or this software, Mobile Extreme. Okay, so don't worry. I have sign in. Okay, it's taking. Yes, you can when you sign in or you can create a AWS account, it will be verified in just like 5 to 10 minutes. It will be verified, or you can work on AWS. It is basically verification. It's processing after you can create our AWS account. Okay, so go to the search bar or write EC2. Okay, and yes, this is the option EC2. You can click on that. EC2 it is basically instance which is used as a virtual machines. When we want any virtual machine, you can use EC2 instance. EC2 instance. EC2 instance is basically a CPU or machine which is having RAM or hard disk or some specifications like instance type or how much RAM we want. It is basically we can configure in this EC2 instance. Okay. Yes, you can go with the instance running. Okay. So so I have created some instances. Okay. So yes, there is any no instance virtual machines I have created. So I can click on you can click on launch instance. Okay. After that you can name your instance like we can install Docker on virtual machines like I can name as a Docker machine VM. Okay. After that you can go down. You can see below. There are some AMI. It is basically Amazon machine images. We can use Ubuntu machine or Linux machine. You can see some options of Ubuntu versions. We can use Ubuntu Server 24.04 LTS. It is basically latest one. After that, we can select T2 dot micro or any kind of a instance type. T2 dot micro it is basically a free tier eligible. Or if you want to use AWS like free or in the free tier, you can use T2 dot micro. But I can use in this video some high configuration machine uh, T2 dot medium. Yes, it is having two CPU cores and 4 GB memory or RAM. Okay, you can go with the uh, key pair. Or if you do not have any key pair, you can click on just create new key pair or give a name of a key pair or click on a create key pair. It is basically creating a key pair to access your virtual machines on Ubuntu servers. Yes, it is basically used for that. I have created recently Vaibhav for all. It is basically I can click on that. After that, go down, and select your secret security group. Or we can use. I have created security group like Vaibhav first. You can click on create a security group. It is like it is okay. After that, you can write or yes it is basically a space or root volume which is act like the hard disk for your instance or virtual machine. And after all you can click on launch instance. In 2 to 3 seconds it will be created. Okay, I have created instance. Okay, so in 2 minutes it will be showing on in the running state our virtual machine. Okay, so wait for 2 minutes, it will be show in this column. Yes, it will running. It is running. You can click on this arrow or is a column, and yes, I can explain you a mobile stream app. If you have installed it, uh, go on the sessions or click on SSH, and we can paste our IP address of our virtual machine. It is basically it is this is a IP address, public IP address, private IP address. We can access our virtual machine by using public IP address. Okay, so click on this copy your IP address and paste in this column. After that, you can specify your username. It is basically Ubuntu. Our machine's username is Ubuntu. Click on bookmark setting. Okay, nothing or advanced SSH setting, and click on use private key and select our private key. It will be when you have created your secret key. It is basically a key pair. It will be downloaded on our downloads. Okay, you can select from your downloads. Okay, so my secret key it is basically this. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, yes, it will be accessible. Okay, so first of all, you can write a command like sudo apt update. Okay, and enter. Okay, whenever you created your virtual machines or access from any software, it is basically we can access our virtual machine from mobile stream app or mobile stream software. So first command you will be write, it is basically sudo apt update. It will be update all your softwares or processes which will be running or necessary for installing different kind of softwares like Docker or Kubernetes is basically. So yes, it will be completed. It is completed. Okay, so we can go on your Chrome and search for Docker install on Ubuntu. Okay, and enter. Okay, go with this link. Okay, install Docker engine on Ubuntu. Okay. And you can from down, go down. You can see install using the apt repository. When we using or created your Ubuntu machines, it is basically use these commands, which is basically apt commands. Okay, so copy this full and go with the mobile stream and paste in this. Okay, and enter. Okay, basically it will be installed all your Docker. Okay, it take 2 minutes. Yes, we are got it. Okay, after that we can go with this thing. It is basically second step, install Docker packages. By using this command we can install our packages. Okay, and enter. Okay, why enter? Yes, in the 2 to 3 minutes it will be install Docker. It is very easy. Okay, go with the third step. It is basically sudo run update. Before going to this link, or we can use Docker commands, basic commands like Docker ps. It's giving a error like permission denied. Docker ps command, it is basically used to see our Docker containers we can created recently or before. Okay, so Docker ps it will be not working, or it is not working. So why it is not working? Because we cannot give any access to our location like where run Docker sock. So we can give that by using command sudo chmod 666. Okay, it is basically use to give. It is basically use executable write or read command, which is given for specific user. For we can give permission for this machine only. Okay, so this is a command. Okay, and enter. Yes, after giving this in command, we can again use docker ps command. Yes, it will be working. Okay, so by using a docker ps we can see docker id, container id, image container, docker image, commands created whenever our container created status, ports and names it is basically used. So after that we can use or pull our docker base images like docker pull by using a sudo root user sudo su. Okay, sudo docker pull, it is basically we can pulling hello world image. Okay, so enter. Yes, it has pull. Okay, so after that we can clear. Okay, using clear we can write some containers or create our some containers or docker images. Okay, so we can create a container by using docker run -d. -d it is basically used to execute or run our container behind or in the background. Okay, so by using p we can give a name like we can use or install nexus. Okay, nexus, and give a name of access, and in the port we can give nexus port. It is basically nexus, it is basically artifact which is used to store our docker images. Okay, so it is the port of a nexus, it is basically 808081. Okay, so after that we can write like our nexus. Okay, so now type nexus 3. Okay, so it is not fine or it will be pulled. Okay, it take a 2 minutes. Okay. Yes, there are some steps pull complete. Okay, yes, I have created nexus. Okay, this is our container id. Okay, it is basically our container id. This is a container id. Okay, so if you can see by using docker ps, yes, This is a Docker image. This is a container we can create it recently. Okay, her name is the image name is a Sona type name Nexus. Okay, or status is up to second. It created in 19 seconds ago. Okay, this is okay, or its port is a 8081. Okay, so you can see by using 8080 port. Okay, so go to the instance, AWS instance. Okay, or copy this public IP address and paste into this. Okay, okay, and enter. Yes, continue to the site. You can see our Nexus. It is installed. It is installed. It's take 2 minutes to see. Okay, so thank you everyone. So this is the end of our video. I hope you understand how to install Docker image in the virtual machine on in the AWS instance. Okay, so bye, and did not forget to terminate your instance when you did not use your instance. Okay, because it taking of charge after certain time. Okay, so it is basically 2 to T2 dot medium. It is basically a paid version. So thank you. Bye bye.